Yes. Johnson Cleaning Service. Yeah. So I'm talking about this piece of unit, the vacuum. It's the best thing I could ever use. It's better than the broom. The broom will wake the dust up and have it all over the place. You'd have to turn around and do super cleaning on the wall and the furniture and stuff. Just keep the dust down and take up all the dust. I get the corners very good by pushing this thing in the corner for all these here, the cat, the dog here. Yeah, this unit is very useful and it cut a lot of time. Instead of keep hand plugging and plugging up and wire out of my way and all that, just cut the time in more than half. Yeah, I like this investment here. You know, I bought this for just this purpose. A lot of fur here all over the place, and I find all the corner. Yeah, I love it. When the finishing of this session, I show you all the dust I pick up in one session. All the furs and the dust, everything goes into this vacuum. Yeah, check it out. Keep watching. So you see all this dust? Only one session from the front to the back. One take. Look at all the dust.